Hi, this is the Health and Information channel. In this channel we give quality healthy information for your well-being. In this video we will be talking of the health benefits of peppermint leaves. Okay, let's quickly go into the benefits of drinking peppermint tea every day, and here is brief history of peppermint leaves. Peppermint is thought to have originated in northern Africa and the Mediterranean. In the Ebers Papyrus, an ancient Egyptian medical text dating to 1550 BC, mint is listed as calming to stomach pains. Mint was so valued in Egypt. Peppermint leaves is used for flavoring meat, fish, sauces, soups, stews, vinegar, tea, tobacco and cordials. The mint oil is used for the production of natural menthol. Tantalizate oil is for flavoring mouthwashes, toothpaste and pharmaceutical preparations. In medicine, it is used against stomach disorders, rheumatism, in ointments for headaches, in cough drops, inhalations, etc. The oil and dried plants are antiseptic, carminative, refrigerant, stimulant and diuretic. 1. Peppermint tea can promote digestive health. Peppermint tea is known for its ability to soothe an upset stomach and also relieve heartburn. It also helps relieve gas by relaxing the muscles of your intestine, allowing the gas to pass and also ease abdominal pain. The tea also stimulates bile flow to increase the rate and efficiency of digestion and promote healthy bowel movements. Besides, the tea is also an analgesic that can reduce pains associated with cramps, bloating and indigestion. Conditions such as diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome and constipation can all be improved with this tea. 2. Peppermint tea relieves congestion. Placing a bag of peppermint tea in hot boiling water and using it as an inhalant can help to ease chest congestion associated with cold and allergies. The methanol in the cup of herbal tea can help relieve congestion. The tea thins the mucus and acts as an expectorant to break up coughs that can relieve dry coughs and sore throat. When you are suffering from cough, have 4 to 5 cups of peppermint tea between your meals. You can also add a few drops of lemon juice to the tea to relieve congestion. 3. Peppermint tea is good for irritable bowel syndrome. IBS. Peppermint has been shown to help soothe symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, such as pain, bloating, diarrhea and gas. 2 to 3 drops of good quality peppermint oil in water taken after meals can definitely help with digestion and decreasing gas and belching, Mars said. There have been several studies showing how it works as an antispasmodic for IBS. For peppermint tea help reduce painful menstrual cramps. The menstrual cramps may also be helped by peppermint tea. Peppermint oil can also contribute to the severity of dysmenorrhea or menstrual cramping. In a study in 2016, 127 young dysmenorrhea women examined the effectiveness of peppermint oil. According to the results, peppermint oil capsules were as effective as mefenamic acid, a kind of anti-inflammatory non-steroidal drug, to relieve menstrual pain. Burkle, 2020, people can also like a home remedy for menstrual clenching to try drinking peppermint tea. 5. Peppermint tea treats headache, fever and sore throat. Peppermint tea can help you get relief from headache, fever, or sore throat caused by cold or flu. It is also very effective in treating inflammatory conditions of the brain. It helps in relieving pressure on the nerves and muscles of the head. Peppermint tea can also help in treating sinus infection that is caused by cold or flu. The best time to drink peppermint tea is during the winter to treat flu and cold. You can also have it during the spring season to get relief from allergic reactions. Peppermint tea can be taken with honey as well as lemon juice, but it is best to avoid having it with sugar. For children suffering from cold and flu, peppermint tea can be taken with honey to get relief from pain in the throat. Here is how you can brew peppermint tea. In boiling water, put 2 tablespoons of dried peppermint leaves. Let it steep for 15 to 20 minutes and then strain. You can add some sweetener or squeeze in some lemon juice according to your taste and enjoy your hot cup of tea. Ingredients: 1/2 tsp peppermint leaves, grounded and dried, 1/2 tsp ginger powder, juice of 1 lemon. 1. Combine the dried peppermint leaves and ground ginger into a tea bag. 2. Add to a cup of hot water and let steep for 2 to 4 minutes. 3. Squeeze the lemon juice into the tea. Enjoy. Sit back and enjoy your tea. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click on the notification button.